You can see that a to the power of x to the power of y. What we do is simply multiply these two numbers together. So we go a to the power of x times y. Okay, so the index law of powers simply means you can multiply the powers together that's outside the brackets and inside the brackets. Find x in 2 to the power of 5, the whole thing to the power of 4, if it's equal to 2 to the power of x. So guys, just leave this side, trying to do something with this side, okay? So 2 to the power of 5 to the power of 4, remember I told you we multiply the indices inside and outside the brackets together. So we'll multiply 5 and 4 together. So it's going to be 2 to the power of 5 times 4, okay? And that's going to be 2 to the power of 20. Now this is equal to this. The base is the same, so therefore the indices must be the same. So x must be equal to 20. So x equals to 20 is the answer. Find x in 16 cubed equals to 2 to the power of x. So again, I'm going to leave this side. Let's do something about this side. Don't worry about the cube for a moment. Let's just worry about 16. Now see how with indices, a very important thing that's useful for you to know is it's very good if you have the same base. Because if you have the same base, that means the indices must be the same as well. That's what I keep saying, isn't it? I'm going to try to break down 16 into powers of 2, into factors of 2. So you know that 16, I think 16 is 2 to the power of 4. So I'd like to change that to 2 to the power of 4. So all I did was, see how 16 is here? I'm going to replace 16 with 2 to the power of 4. I'm just going to use brackets to separate it out with the cube. You've got something that you're used to. What do we do when we have something like this? What's the law of powers? We multiply the inside of the bracket with the outside of the bracket, the powers. I'm going to multiply 4 and 3 together and put it on the power of 2, which is 2 to the power of 12. Whenever the base is not the same, make it the same by breaking it down into its factors of that power, of that number. This must be equal to this. The base is same because I made it the same. Therefore, the indices must be the same. So x is simply 12. Find x in, if 8 cubed to the power of 4 is 2 to the power of x, we have to find x. So leave the right hand side. Let's fiddle around with my left. When we multiply the when we have brackets, we multiply the indices. So I'm going to multiply 3 and 4 together. So it's going to be 8 to the power of 12. We can't actually do much with these because they don't have the same base. So what did I say before? Make it the same base. So how do we make 8 as a base of 2? 2 to the power of what is 8? 2 cubed is 8, guys. So I'm going to replace this 8 with 2 cubed and just keep a bracket so I can separate the powers. Okay, so I replaced 8 with 2 cubed, and we've got another set of brackets. We can multiply these powers together, so like this. So 3 times 12 is 36. This must be equal to this, and we have the same base, therefore the indices must also be the same. So therefore x is simply 36. That's the answer.